everyone. First of all, a big congratulations to all of you who have qualified IOQM, the first stage of International Mathematical Olympiad. And now it's time to gear up for the next milestone, the Regional Mathematical Olympiad RMO. And in this video, we are going to cover everything you need to know about RMO 2025, from exam schedule, test paper pattern to selection criteria for the next stage INMO. And of course, a quick syllabus overview with important topics to help you plan your preparation effectively. Now let's begin with exam schedule. RMO 2025 will be held on Sunday 16th November from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. across all the regions of India. And it is organized by CBSE. Now let's talk about exam pattern. RMO examination is quite different from IOQM. Because in IOQM, you have to write the answers in integers from 00 to 99. While in RMO, this is a 3-hour subjective exam consisting of 6 descriptive questions, where each question carries 17 marks and making the total 102 marks. And in RMO examination, students are expected to present logical and step-by-step solution of each question with structured reasoning and neat presentation. Now let's talk about how you move from RMO to the next stage, that is INMO 2026. There are two categories. Category A for class 8 to 11 students, and top 30 students from each region qualify for the next stage. There is category B. This is especially for class 12 students, and top 6 students from each region can qualify for the next stage INMO. Additionally, 5 more girl students from category A qualify under the girls quota. Now let's talk about the most awaited segment, RMO syllabus and important topics. The RMO builds on what you studied for IOQM, but focuses more on conceptual understanding and proof-based reasoning. The questions typically test the mathematical creativity across algebra, geometry, combinatorics and number theory. Now let's talk about the important topics which are identified on the basis of analysis. Algebra, inequalities, sequences, polynomials and functional equations are very important. In geometry, triangles, circles, coordinate geometry, properties of triangles and polygons are highly recommended here. In combinatorics, counting principle, pigeonhole principle and recursion are very important. And in number theory, divisibility, Euclidean algorithm, Fermat's and Wilson's theorem, congruence modulo and Diophantine equations are highly recommended for RMO 2025. So that's the quick guide for RMO 2025. Keep your concept clear, practice questions regularly, and the most important thing, enjoy the process of problem solving, because the more you enjoy, the better you will perform. So all the very best for RMO 2025.